channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video, we are going to make a remedy that can help to clear dark under eye circles. This is also good for puffy eyes and eye bags. Now, what really causes dark under eye circles? This is due sometimes because lack of sleep, smoking. It also could be genetics. However, it doesn't matter how you get your under eye circles. You can try some remedies on it. So today, here is a special remedy. In this, I'm using only ingredients that are known to clear dark circles. So what are you waiting for? Follow me to the kitchen. I'm going to share the recipe with you, and I'm also going to show you how best to use it to clear your dark under eye circles, puffy eyes, and eye bags really quick. For this recipe, you're going to need a small blender. Our first ingredient is chamomile, and today I'm using a tea bag. This is a chamomile tea bag. Chamomile is helpful in promoting skin brightening under the eyes. It helps smooth skin, boosts hydration, and improve overall skin health. Chamomile also is known to encourage younger looking skin due to its cleaning attribute. So what I'm going to do with the chamomile, I'm going to first brew it, and then I'm going to mix it with some other ingredients that are known to reduce dark under eye circles. To prepare the chamomile, I'm going to be brewing. So I'm placing 1 tea bag. If you have the loose one, use about a teaspoon. Next, I'm reaching for some hot water. Make sure it's the boiling point. And I'm going to pour 1 tablespoon of the hot water over the chamomile. We're making this very strong, so leave it in the hot water to brew, and this is going to take about 5 to 10 minutes brew and cooled. Now after about 10 minutes, I like to reach back for the chamomile and take a look. You can see it's brewed, and this is very strong. And what I like to do, I like to just reach in and squeeze that tea bag out. Make sure to get all the goodness from the tea bag. And now here we have it, our brewed chamomile water. So this is about almost a tablespoon of our chamomile water. So I'm going to pour my 1 tablespoon of chamomile tea in the blender. Our next ingredient is almond oil, and this is 100% sweet almond oil. Almond oil is fantastic for reducing fine lines and wrinkles and even sagging skin. It helps to improve dark under eye circles. All you need is just a few drops mixed with other ingredients or directly on the skin. It is one of the most popular oil that is used in reducing dark under eye circles and puffy eyes. So I'm going to use about a tablespoon of the sweet almond oil. Pour this in. Our next oil is jojoba oil, and jojoba oil has amazing benefit for the skin overall, but it is also one of the better oil to use to clear dark under eye circles, eye bags, and puffy eyes. It is also good to get rid of wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. So I'm going to be using a teaspoon of the jojoba oil, pouring this in. So here we have some sweet almond oil, jojoba oil, and some chamomile tea. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to blend all the 3 ingredients together. And blend. Now after blending, let's take a look and let's pour this in our bowl. Make sure to get everything out and take a look at the consistency. Very creamy. And now we're going to add our final ingredient. And take a look at our final ingredient. Here we have aloe vera gel, and this is about 95% pure aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel is cooling to the skin, but it also contains vitamin C, which will help to clear dark under eye circles. So I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of the aloe vera gel. I'm going to pour this in the mixture. And now we're going to mix together. Now you might be wondering why I did not add the aloe vera gel when I was blending. That is because when you blend the aloe vera gel, it's going to turn very liquefied, and that is not what we're looking for. We're looking for a very creamy consistency for this
eye cream. So mix and mix well. And take a look, see how creamy. This is exactly how you want it to be. So completely dissolve the aloe vera gel in the mixture. Now for this recipe, if you want to preserve it for a little longer, you can reach for some vegetable glycerine. This is optional, however, but if you have it, use it. And we're using about a half a teaspoon of the vegetable glycerine. You really do not need a lot, and completely dissolve. So here we have our chamomile tea, sweet almond oil, jojoba oil, aloe vera gel, and a bit of a vegetable glycerine. And now your eye cream is ready. So now let's pour this in our storage jar. Make sure your jars are sterilized. Spoon this out. And take a look at this, your dark circle remover. This is also good for puffy eyes and eye bags.
Now here we have our cream, and all you need is 2 drops. If you have a bottle with a pump, that is even better for this. So take about 2 drops like this, and this is good enough. Warm it up like this, and then dab it under your eyes. Make sure you're applying it on clean skin. Just 2 to 3 drops. Massage your under eyes. This is a leave-on, so you're not going to rinse this off. This can be used AM and PM. A little goes a long way. You can go everywhere at night, and that's it. Give the remedy time to work, and before you know it, clear on the eyes, puffy eyes gone, and also eye bag.